Daniel,
What?
do you know how that whipped cream got on the wall?
I don't know.
Was it you?
I don't know. No, it wasn't.
How do you think it got there?
I don't know.
Let's see. Should I call Santa and ask him?
No.
Was it you?
No, it was a monster.
A monster?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure? I think Santa will know who did it.
What?
I think Santa will know who did it.
Who?
I don't know. I'm gonna go call him right now.
No!
Are you sure? Do you want to tell me who did it?
A monster.
Alright. You say so.
Oh, no.
No what?
No, Santa